Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Kadu from Professor Ram Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera, Amravati. Today I am going to deliver my presentation on my research paper entitled Structural and Ethanol Gas Sensing Properties of SR Doping on IN2O3 Nanoparticles. In the present work, thick film of nanostructured SR doped IN2O3 were synthesized by Soldier citrate method. The structural property of SR doped IN2O3 nanoparticles were analyzed by using XRD. The minimum crystallite size of SR doped IN2O3 calculated from Scherrer formula is found to be 20 to 25 nanometer. The sensitivity of SR doped IN2O3 to reducing gases like acetone, ethanol, H2S, and LPG was been compared. SR doped IN2O3 is adopted to improve the gas sensitivity of pure IN2O3, especially to enhance the response to ethanol gas. The quick response and fast recovery are the main feature of this sensor. Synthesis. SR doped IN2O3 nanopowder were prepared by Soldier citrate method. The powder of indium nitrate, strontium nitrate, citric acid were weighed in a desired proportion and dissolved in small amount of distilled water. Ethylene glycol was added to make the colloidal solution. Stirring was done on magnetic stirrer for 1 hour at 80 degrees Celsius to obtain the homogeneous solution. After heating at 140 degrees Celsius for 12 hours, the dried gel was ignited in a corner. The gel was subjected to calcination at 650 degrees Celsius for 6 hours in a furnace and to obtain the combustion flux for the material. Now result and discussion. Figure 1 shows the XRD pattern of iron O2 and 3 weight percent SR doped iron 2O3 powder sample calcinate at 650 degrees Celsius. These are the graph. The XRD pattern of IN2O3 and 3 weight percent doped SR doped IN2O3 powder sample calcinate at 650 degrees Celsius were shown in figure 1. There is no impurity peak found indicating the formation of pure sample. The XRD peak of 3 weight percent SR doped IN2O3 were sharp than that of the undoped IN2O3 sample, and here we observe that the crystallite size in the range of 20 to 25 nanometer. Now figure 2 shows the responses of the gas sensor based on this A, that is a 2 weight percent SR doped IN2O3, B pure form, C 1 weight percent SR doped IN2O3, and D 3 weight percent SR doped IN2O3 here. And here we observe that as the operating temperature increases, the gas response increases, and this sample shows maximum response at 180 degrees Celsius. So out of these all the samples, the 3 weight percent SR doped IN2O3 is the best sample. Now next is the response and recovery. This is one of the main characteristic of the gas sensing. The response and recovery curve of the gas sensor based on pure IN2O3 and SR doped IN2O3 nanoparticle to 100 ppm ethanol at 180 degrees Celsius is shown in the figure. From the figure, we can see that although SR doping in different amount, the response and recovery time of each sample change slightly. Next is the gas concentration. The figure shows the responses of 3 weight percent SR doped IN2O3, and here we observe that as the gas concentration increases, the response increases, and it should be maximum at 1 to 500 nanometers ppm. Next, selectivity. The selectivity of the gas sensor based on 3 weight percent SR doped IN2O3 nanoparticles was measured by expose the sensor to 10, 50, 100 ppm acetone, ethanol, H2S, and LPG at 180 degrees Celsius. It is clear to point out that sensor is less sensitive to H2S and LPG, and it has a higher response toward ethanol. Finally, conclusion. In summary, pure IN2O3 and SR doped 1, 2 and 3 weight% IN2O3 nanoparticles were synthesized by using Sol-Gel method, and their gas sensing property were investigated. The XRD pattern also shows high degree of crystallinity and complete phase formation with a grain size of about 20 to 25 nanometer with a cubic structure. The XRD peak of 3% SR doped IN2O3 were sharp than that of the undoped sample. Among all other oil additives, 3 weight% SR doped IN2O3 was found to be optimum and shows highest response to ethanol gas at 180 degrees Celsius. So, the 3 weight% of SR doped IN2O3 nanomaterial thick film sensor has good selectivity to ethanol gas against acetone, H2S, LPG at 180 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much.